Well, it's a great honor. It's also bundled with the Adam Smith Lecture. Adam Smith has a special place in economics as one of the founders or the founder of our discipline. I became an economist because I was interested in the same issues that Adam Smith was interested in, and I learned all of his thinking from the first day in an economics program. I think Adam Smith is relevant in the same way that economics is relevant. His influence lives on in the economics discipline and economic policy making, but he's even more relevant because the types of issues that he was grappling with, which is how do we leverage economic market forces, technology, in order to build a better society, are even more alive today because we are going through a transformative time with myriad new technologies, myriad new changes in market structures, globalization, many new challenges related to climate change and global integration. At the same time, he was a philosopher thinking about how we can energize people to work for the common good. It's a too simplistic a caricature to reduce Adam Smith's thinking to the invisible hand. That was a brilliant way of thinking about how impersonal forces can help us go towards the right objective, but only if they are living in a particular environment with the right institutions, with the right regulations, and also with the right values among people, which is again something he comes back to in the theory of moral sentiments. So I think that sort of nuanced thinking is going to be even more relevant moving forward.